Do you think there are any misconceptions about automation and AI today? Anything that you think operators maybe are getting wrong, or maybe something that they think is one way, but it's actually another way in the industry?
I'd say there's a misconception around the approachability of these concepts. I think many folks think that it's difficult or it's techie and really designed or built for programmers. But what we've seen is an evolution that enables users to be able to apply these tools and put them to work for their business in a very user-friendly and an understandable way. I think a lot of people now have had experience in some way, shape, or form with these concepts.
I think another one that kind of comes up in those conversations with operators is the balance between humans and technology, right? What is a human supposed to do? What is a tool or a technology system supposed to do? What is the balance between that when we're in a really human-driven industry like co-working? And I think sometimes like there are some uncomfortable feelings that can come up with that, but really like technology is there to enable you to do the job that you want to do, right? So you're not worrying about the back-end system. You're not worrying about following up with leads or sending like tour emails. Like these aren't things that you should be spending your time doing, right? These are things that technology systems can do.
I would add that my view is that most people don't fully appreciate just how powerful these capabilities are, because they haven't found really like applications yet that they could use for their business. So, you know, you're kind of left to basically hacking around on ChatGPT, like on your own personal device and your own personal account. I think the next era of this AI stuff is going to be like applications, you know, that are specific for, you know, co-working or within co-working, you know, underwriting or, you know, space management or leads. Like there's just going to be more and more applications that just work out of the box. So you're not forced to like kind of creatively come up with the way to use AI yourself. And so I think as more companies come out that help operators integrate AI like with practical use cases, it'll be, I don't know, we'll see a lot more widespread adoption.